In a cramped, dimly lit room, Toma lies in bed, feverish and sweating, lost in his illness. In a cramped, dimly lit room, Toma lies in bed, feverish and sweating, lost in his illness. Mira sits beside him, her face etched with worry. Mira whispers, her voice filled with concern. Toma, just be patient. I'll get something for you. Mira walks barefoot through the night, her stomach growling with hunger, with only the cold, hard ground beneath her feet. Her voice echoes in the empty streets. I haven't eaten anything for 2 days. Oh God, have mercy. Under the cloak of night, smoke rises from a metal trash can. Mira races towards the trash can, her shadow stretching out in the dim light. Mira stands, peering into the trash can. This, a half-burnt piece of bread? Is this all there is? In silence, Mira offers bread to Toma. Toma asks softly, "Did you eat?" Mira whispers in response, "Yes, you just eat." Toma wakes in the dim light of morning. Mira sits silently, her eyes closed, a piece of bread still in her hand.